Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi A3 Sportback Black Edition 35 TDI S Tronic. This particular model is finished in the stunning Glacier white metallic paintwork and looks super sporty, stylish and modern from every angle. From the 2-litre turbocharged diesel engine you get 147 brake horsepower with 360 Nm of torque. And this being the black edition, you get multiple elements of gloss black styling, including front and rear bumper inserts, side skirts and the gloss back badges that you can see here on the boot now. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 19-inch 5-arm trapezoid design alloy wheels finish in matte grey with a diamond cut high sheen finish, offering a lovely contrast to that white metallic paintwork. With the rear tailgate open, you receive ample room for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop. The rear seats also fold down for that extra storage space, and the boot floor can be lowered for a deeper boot should you need to. The interior is finished in twin leather with contrasting stitching for maximum luxury, with more grey elements on the door cards. Central armrest with dual cup holders and rear air vents add to the rear passenger's maximum comfort, and both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the flat bottom S-line multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sports seats with the S badge embossing at the top, and they are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit is configurable using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice control, so there's mid-journey phone calls. And underneath to the left your adaptive cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle. And with the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own. Thank you for watching this video on the approved used Audi A3 Sportback Black Edition that is available at Stafford Audi. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to get in contact and speak to a member of our sales team.